What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. Now, I know a lot of you are wondering when the next race day video is going to be, and it's going to be very soon, guys. I'm a little behind in stuff. Had a lot of stuff this weekend. As you saw, I got the full Hot Wheels race team livery on the Mustang, and it looks absolutely amazing. So a huge shout out to my buddy Shane, who actually owns his own business doing vinyls and custom decal work like that. He did an amazing job. All those lines you see on the hood and roof was laid out by hand by him. It took a long time measuring and making sure everything was right. He definitely made the dream of me making my car a Hot Wheel into a reality. So go support his page. He does a lot of stuff using really cool vinyl work, reflective stuff. Huge shout out to him. Like I said, guys, we will be getting to some race videos this week. We do have some challengers going up against the tower because so many people want to knock off King Nut from being the king of the tower at the moment. Speaking of that, we have another package, and it is from Sammy, who sent in another challenger to go up against the tower. He is currently sitting in 6th place in his custom Impavito. So I know he's trying to climb up to the top. You have some fast cars here. So we're gonna see what he sent in this package. So this one right here, guys, is from Rick Stable. We actually been in contact through email, showing me his collection and stuff he has, and we worked out a trade. So I got to get all that stuff together for what is in this box. So I cannot wait to see what's in here. There's some cars that I really wanted in the collection that he had. So I'm definitely excited to work out this trade. So Rick, thanks so much for sending the package. And of course, Sammy, thanks so much for sending another challenger. Let's go ahead and see what is in the box. All right, guys. Check this out, guys. Oh, I'm excited. Alright, first up we have the 70 Mach 1 in a really nice dark green metallic. Check that out. I actually do not have this one. That is nice. Look at that. You have the black, lime green, and white stripes running down the center. You have the chrome MC5s with the staggered fitment, large in the rear, small up front. And this is the newer casting with the metal casted wing instead of the old plastic one, but it is very nice. Check this out. Out of the Hot Wheels City, the 70 Mach 1. Nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and put Sammy's package over here for the time being. Next up, you can see this beauty right here. Check this out, guys. The Lamborghini Aventador LP 700-4. Look how wicked clean that is. You have the nice orange enamel, you have the black MC5s with the chrome ring, some black striping work right behind that fender vent, and then you have the number 4 on the door as well as the hood. Check that out. Really nice headlight detail. You have the Lamborghini Bull on the front, and you do have the black lower bumper right there that's attached to the base itself. So check that out. That card art looks so good. And I used to be a huge fan of Gran Turismo. So check out the cars in this lineup. You have the GTR R32, the Viper SRT10, the Aston Martin 177, the XJ220, the Ford GT LM, the Lamborghini Super Leggera. Oh, such a wicked car. And the Pagani Huayra. Very nice set, but this is a beautiful Lamborghini. Nice. Next up, here we go. I do not have this color variation. I actually didn't even know this was a variation. I only have the orange, the dark green, black, and red. So I was not aware that there was a blue metallic, but here we go. Out of the Factory Fresh series, you have the Jaguar XESV Project 8 in this really nice dark blue metallic. So here we go. You have the nice taillight tampos with the Jaguar and SV license plate right there. You do have the black 10 spokes all the way around. Nice smoke tinted glass, and then of course the front end is done up very nice with the headlights and grille. Such a nice casting. I still think the dark green metallic is probably my favorite besides the red. But look at that, guys. Another color variation to throw in there. I don't know if this is an exclusive for anything, but I will definitely look it up and throw it on the screen unless you guys have already commented down below. But an awesome color variation right there. Next up, the GameStop exclusive 91 MX-5 Miata. Check this out. I've been trying to get this in my collection for so long and was never able to work out a trade with anyone. Either they had it already loose or it was just never an option for me. So here we go. We have the nice green enamel with the Mazda and the white meatball with Ryu's name right there on the door. Check that out. Nice chrome 5 spokes all the way around. You actually do have the Mazda speed right there on the front bumper and the license plate. It says Hot Wheels. You have the light tampos, the turn indicators, you have the tan interior, and coming around the back, just your basic casting details. But there we go, finally got the GameStop exclusive Miata in the collection. Next up, here we go, starting off the Ferraris. You have the Ferrari F50, collector number 855, and a nice purple metallic. Check that out. You have the Stunt Machines Team Leader deco right there on the side. You have the saw blade wheels in chrome, and then the black interior. Look at that. Yeah, the Ferrari F40 and F50s are one of my favorite series of Ferrari. They're just one of those classic ones as a kid. Absolutely love this, so awesome. Next up, here we go. We have two more Ferraris with the flame deco. Looks like there's a little letter right here. Sent you the Error package one as well. The F355 on wrong card. Oh, there we go. So check this out, guys. You have the Ferrari 355 Challenge in red. You have the nice yellow flames wrapped around the entire body and the number 3. You have the chrome 5 spokes. You have the clear wing, which actually is a smoked tint. And then check this out, guys, a 355 on the wrong card. This is actually on the 456M card, which is collector number 130, or supposed to be collector 130. So that is sweet. I didn't even realize that when he had it in the pictures that it is on the wrong card. So that is awesome. You guys already know I love errors, and a Ferrari on the wrong card is freaking sweet. So awesome. All right, and next up, here we go, guys. We have another Mustang Cobra. Check this out. I actually wanted a second one. That way I can open up one of these to race on the track. I do have a couple loose 97 Cobras, but this one is just beautiful. You have a nice reddish orange metallic, the chrome lace wheels all the way around, and then you do have a racing style livery all over in black and white with the Ford Racing, the blue 17, and matching blue tinted glass. There we go. Nice. Next up, ooh, we have another Gran Turismo. There we go. You got the Pagani Huayra. Check this out. Now that is a nice blue metallic. Look how glossy that looks. Now this is actually the hardtop version. I do have a couple of the convertibles or the spiders. And then coming around the back, you have the Pagani Huayra tampos, the nice silver exhaust, which is actually attached to the silver interior. And then you do have the black MC5s all the way around, nice headlight castings, and check that out. You can barely see it, but you do have some ghosted graphics in a light blue metallic right there on the front. So that is sweet. Nice. So a second Gran Turismo car. Next up, we have the Phantom Racer. Look at that. Now I seen this in the picture. I couldn't see it up close, but I love the way the styling looked. Even if it was fantasy or not, I thought it would be a good representation of a Ford GT90. It kind of has the same side profile and silhouette. But of course, this is out of the White Heat series, number 4 of 5. You have a nice pearl white with the white flames and the silver outline. Nice green tinted canopy. You have the green 5 spokes in chrome. You do have some type of fixed wing on the top. Definitely a cool type of casting. Like I said, I'm not too big into the fantasy cars, but I thought that one was really sweet. Next up, we have another Gran Turismo car, and it is the legendary Jaguar XJ220. Check out that livery. You have the Jaguar with the number 41 meatball champion, the XJ220 tampos right below that vent. And then of course you have the chrome PR5s all the way around with the staggered fitment. And check out that headlight detail. Very nice. The Gran Turismo tampos up front, and then coming around the back you do just have the casting details, and it is just a nice casting. So this makes color variation number 3 in the collection. I never got my hands on too many of these, but definitely a legendary car right there. Next up we have another Cobra. Now I know I have a couple of these, the 2 wheel variations. This one is the saw blade, and the other has the chrome 5 spokes, but I definitely wanted another one in the lineup. So we do have this one out of the Mega Graphics series. It is number 2 of the 4 cars, and it's collector number 974. Check that out. Love the black, silver, and orange tampos with the 48 and the checkered flags. Just one of those Cobras that I just love having in the collection. So there we go. We got 2 Cobras added. Next up, guys, check this out. Now, we've seen this 5-pack before. My buddy Mike had sent this one before, and I just needed to have a second one so I can open it up. Just some legendary cars, guys. Check that out. You have the satin black 68 tune Mustang that looks so nice. Look at that. Motors black chrome. You got the chrome Y5s, the flame work, and then you have the 97 Cobra in the nice dark blue metallic, 65 convertible, the 2005 in a nice sandstone color, then of course the Mach 1 in the ruby red. Look at that. So nice. We have a second one, and then next up we have a second 45th anniversary. Now I do have one of these. My wife actually found it not that long ago, probably sometime late last year. I was looking for it for the longest time. She found it, picked it up for me off of eBay, and I just wanted a second one, guys. So here we go. You have the 99 Mustang in black enamel, the purple metallic Fox body, another 97 Cobra in white. You have the 2007 Mustang in a nice light blue metallic, and then another 65 coupe. Check that out, guys. Definitely an awesome 5-pack right there to have. Right here, check this out. The Mustang Cobra out of the Corgi lineup. Collector number 623 in the pink metallic and the chrome lace wheel. So this does actually have the opening hatch. Does have a trailer hitch to it. And absolutely love this one. So I wanted this one to actually give to a coworker of mine. So that's why I wanted to get this in the trade, because I told him I would try to find him one as well, because he's a huge Fox body collector, and this one is just hard to find and hard to get his hands on. So definitely going to take this in for him. I have that set off to the side. I have another 97 Cobra, but this one is the Crunch Bar livery. Check that out. Nice silver metallic, chrome lace wheels all the way around. Of course, you do have the full Nestle Crunch livery, which just looks super cool. It's collector number 97 out of 2002. Check that out. Last but definitely not least, guys, another 70 Mach 1. Now I do actually have this color variation. It is carded, so this one is actually going to be opened up and sitting loose in my collection once I get settled in. So this is out of the Hot Wheels City. You do have the nice yellowish orange enamel with the black, red, and white striping and the Mach 1 badging in that lower fender. You have the black MC5s all the way around in the staggered fitment with the yellow ring. And there we go, guys. So awesome package right there. So Rick, thank you so much for sending that. So let's go ahead and see what Sammy sent. Check this out. All right, so you have racer number 1, could something fast car. So saying could be a fast car, I'm guessing. And then racer number 2 will win. Oh man, he is confident on this one. So let's go ahead and see what race number 1 car is. Now it definitely looks like it would be a fast car based off of being a full metal cast. Look at that. 1988 casting license. You do have the alien deco in red, black, and yellow. This is a very interesting futuristic car right here. Check that out. This actually has some weight to it. Let's go ahead and see what this weighs in at. Zeroed out. 55 grams. Man, that is a heavy casting. I think our heaviest is 54, 53. I don't know, but that is heavy. So I actually cannot wait to see how well this does against the tower. So Kingnut, you better watch out, because it looks like we have another fast and sleek metal cast coming after the Ford GT90. Right here, racer number 2, he is saying will win, and this is a Interceptor. There we go. You have the Miami Metro Police. Look at this, green light. He actually wheel swapped it to the Matchbox wheels. Look at that deco. It's actually really good quality. So it does have the motor, it looks like, in there. There we go. You got that big old motor. Maybe it's what's weighing it down. Let's see what this one weighs in at. 63 grams. That is the heaviest car on the track, and he is for sure trying to take up 2 spots. So what we're gonna do is this one's going to be racer number 1, and if it keeps going up to the top and gets eliminated at some point, then his second racer is going to come back for redemption. So we aren't gonna race both of them because we don't want one person taking up all the spots. So Sammy, your number 1 racer is going to be this one, to see how far it can climb on the King of the Tower. So there we go, guys. Talk about an awesome trade we have going on right here. You got the 45th anniversary Mustang pack. You have a very old Mustang pack right here, which both of these are duplicates for me. And right here, guys, we have a couple 97 Cobras, the Gran Turismo Jaguar XJ. You have the Pagani Huayra, the 70 Mach 1s, the Lamborghini Aventador, the GameStop exclusive Miata, and the wrong card Ferrari 355. That is awesome. So that is awesome. Thank you so much for adding that in the package, and of course, working out this trade. Like I said, Rick, I will reach out to you. I will send you pictures to see if you have the castings I'm going to send in this trade. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below what your thoughts were of everything in this trade. And of course, let me know if you think that Sammy is going to make his way up the tower and be fast enough to eliminate Kingnut from the top spot. So there we go, guys. That is all I got. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.